Alright, tayo maglakad muna mga kalibag para tayo medyo mabawas-bawasan ng taba sa katawan. Galing tayo sa Robinson Supermarket, bumili tayo ng kaunting chicha. Tayo naglalakad ngayon sa may elementary school, sa likod ng Rizal Elementary School. Yan. Alright. Let's go! Madaming bus pala ngayon, papunta siguro yan sa sa Rizal Shrine. Daming surplus sa Japan ngayon, no? Daming mga abubot galing Japan. Alright, let's go. Alright. Tingnan nga natin kung ano yung nabili natin. Aha, may chippy dito. Okay. Baka naman. Kain muna tayo ng konting chips habang naglalakad. Alright. Vamos. Chippy. Okay. Ayos din ditong maglakad pag umaga eh. Pero kahit ganitong anong oras pa lang, alas 7:30, mainit na, masakit na sa balat. Lalo na siguro pag mga bandang alas 9, no? Sakit sa balat nun. Alright, nandito na tayo sa tapat ng Villarica. Yan, pawn shop yan. Alright, vamonos, let's go. Subscribe kayo mga kalibag. Bah, ayos din ang tinda ni Manang dito ah. Ukay-ukay. Oh, ayos yung kulay ng tricycle, purple. Alright. Ayos ang kulay ng bakod ah. No parking. Sige, sige, sige. Pagka nag-park talaga dito, tow away zone dito. Yari. Alright. Alright guys, here we are near at the back of Edsa Shrine. Accumulating traffic now. You see, it's due to some buses because some alumni came today, I think, to visit Rizal Shrine, the house of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Alright. Okay, here we are at the intersection. Okay, we will cross the street. Okay, nice. We made it. So we'll turn left there. We'll see those buses. I think they came from Isabela. Nice, they came from north. Awesome. See the first bus, the blue one? There's a lot of buses there actually. So we're at the middle of Old Catholic Church, Saint Baptist, and Dr. Jose Rizal Shrine. Alright, let's continue walking. Alright, so here we are. Nice. I think they're still waiting. They're not getting off the bus yet. Nice. All right. So they came from what school? College of Arts from Isabela. Nice. There's a little congestion of traffic in here. I think a motorcycle and a car collide. I think. So let's see. Alright. Oh, yeah. There's a motorcycle there. And I think traffic enforcers are... Oh yeah, they're doing traffic. A motorcycle and a... I think... is that Innova? Avanza. The blue Avanza collide with... against the motorcycle. Along Edsa's Rhine. That was the reason why it caused traffic. Okay. Vamonos, let's go! Alright, here we are. Dominar 400 UG. It's totally clean right now. Nice. Alright. Subscribe, guys.